Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can water your crops in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you how we can water this potato crops. If we want to water our crops, we need to go to this menu and then select the watering can. Okay, and then you just need to select the plot that you want to water. For example, I'm going to water this plot, and we can click on the watering can and just like this. You can also water your friends' crops if you want. Just go to their garden and then you can water the crops like this. Okay guys, and that's how we can water crops using the watering can in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.